Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create fantasy scene glow using color dodge in Photoshop. I opened Photoshop and set up a fantasy landscape on a large canvas. I add a new blank layer and set it to color dodge. I choose a soft pastel color and gently paint light on areas where magic or sunlight would naturally fall. The effect is strong at first, so I reduce opacity slowly. I blur the layer to make the glow blend into the scene. I add a layer mask to refine edges and keep the glow controlled. I pause frequently to feel how the light influences the mood of the scene. I adjust opacity and brush strokes repeatedly until the glow feels emotional, soft, and dreamlike. I zoom out and refine details.